Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how you can turn on your voice chat or fix any basically problems with your voice chat in Rocket League. It's quite easy to fix it, and let me show how. So first you need to load up your game, and then you need to go on settings, and the first thing that you need to do here is to go on audio and make sure that voice chat is above 50. Alright, and also make sure that your voice chat is louder than your master volume, gameplay, or other volume that you're using, right? And once you do that, then you need to go on chat, and then you need to go and look voice chat. As you can see here, I'm doing allow voice chat with everyone. Also make sure that this option is not selected, allow voice chat with nobody off, right? And then I'm using open mic because it's quite easy for me then to speak. I don't need to push to talk some buttons or whatsoever. And also, this is also really important, if you're playing with friends and you are in the party, make sure you're using this party option. But if you're solo queuing, make sure that is on team, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to turn on your voice chat or fix any problems with that. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.